Alright y'all, today we're going to be making marshmallow fluff. I know, that sounds like a fat person thing. Alright, so in the saucepan, we have a 1/3 cup of water. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add another, correction, we have 3/4 cup of water. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add 3/4 cup corn syrup, heavy like corn syrup. And to that, we're going to stir in 3 cups of sugar. Okay, we're going to stir this, we're going to get it all dissolved, and we're going to stir it until it comes to a boil. And then we're going to turn it down to a medium heat, but I will bring you back at that point. Okay, it's come to a boil. We're going to turn it down to a low heat. We're going to let it simmer until this heats to about 250 degrees or hardball stage. For that, we're going to be using a candy thermometer, and we're going to be stirring very little. We'll bring you back when that's at temperature. Alright, while that's going, we're going to keep an eye on that, but we're going to go ahead and start over here. We have 2 egg whites. We're going to go ahead in there, throw that in there, and we're going to beat these until they become fluffy. Alright, now we have beaten these egg whites until they become fluffed and airy. And now we have 1.5 ounces or 6 packages of unflavored Knox gelatin. And we are just going to slowly add this in until it is all mixed up. We will bring you back when we hit that point. Alright, so our mixture is just at that 250 mark, that hardball stage that you want at 250, 252. We're going to go ahead and take out the candy thermometer. We're going to soak this in hot water, but first we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this over to our egg mixture. Okay, and then we are going to very slowly drizzle this egg mixture. It should take a few minutes to get this all in. We're going to mix this all in. I'll bring you back when this is done. So this is about the consistency you're going to get it to. You want it smooth and glossy. And then you are done. Now the best thing for this is to make it when you need to use it. It does stores pretty well, but it's just best if you make it when you need it. And for that, if you tune back next week, I'm going to show you what we're doing with this.